Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey girl. If you're old, welcome back. My name is Lil Red. I'm doing good today. How are y'all doing? So in today's video, y'all, I am super scared and I'm also excited as well. So we are gonna be changing out my nose piercing today in this video. I'm super happy and I'm super pumped, to change my nose piercing because I'm sick and tired of this little one. So we gotta take it out today. I want y'all to do it with me. Yeah, because I'm scared. Like, this bitch is gonna hurt. And y'all know it is. But anyways, y'all, I got my nose pierced like long time ago on this side, like 2 years ago. But I just kept freaking taking it out because I kept switching jobs, like from restaurant jobs to restaurant jobs. And they wanted me to take it out. And I was like, forget it. I'm never gonna put this in here again. Never. So it just closed up. So I went back like 5 months ago and got this side pierced. It's so cute. Now I have like a little pus bump coming up and I hate that, cause the other one did that as well. It was bigger on this side. But this one, I clean it every day and I still have that freaking bump. I forgot what the nose piercing dude told me, what it was called, but hopefully it'll go down. I went to my local beauty supply store and I got me a nose piercing. They didn't have like much, but I want to order me some more online. I'm kind of scared to get like really big ones that dangle on your nose because, bitch, what if you pull off that jacket or that shirt and it go rip? Nope. I'm not trying to have my nose, ripped off. So I'm super excited and then I'm super freaking scared. Like, oh my gosh, like I'm nervous because that stuff hurt when you take out your nose piercing. I don't know what it is. It's like ripping your freaking soul out. So I'm gonna show y'all my nose piercing, what I got at the hair store. This is what we're putting in today, my little star. I got a star because I am a star. You gotta think about that. You a star, you gotta think positive of yourself, today's society. So I got me a star, y'all. I can't wait to put it in. I hope it fit my big nose because when I get skinny, y'all, my nose gets skinny. But when I get fat, it just flares out. Probably because from allergies, but I don't know. I just got to get a bigger nose piercing. I want to get some more. Just comment down below and tell me where y'all get y'all nose piercing at, because I want the little cute ones too. So I'm just going to take some of my Dickinson hydrating toner and I'm just going to wipe it off before we get started, putting in my nose piercing. Because the man told me don't put no alcohol on there because it would dry out your nose piercing. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to take this with a cotton swab and just wipe it off. It wiped off my makeup, oh well. So here we go, y'all. We about to take this bitch out because, I'm scared. I'm scared. Here we go, y'all. Ouch! Oh, snaps. Woo! Oh my God, that hurt. 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 Oh my God. Oh my gosh. So we're about to put in our star, y'all. I'm about to put in my star. Here we go, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it make you wanna punch. I punch somebody. Yahoo. Oh my God, that hurt. But we did it, y'all. We did it. It looks so cute. But that bitch hurt. Oh my gosh, y'all. It looks so cute. But it hurts so much, y'all. But we did it. So, y'all, we did it. That's the end of the video. Yeah, I'm so happy, and then it still hurts. So, but we did it. So y'all, that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for you know, rocking with me, putting this nose piercing in. We like some troops, you know, we troops. But anyways, y'all, make sure y'all give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.